Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix a Capital One credit card that's been restricted and what steps you can take to get your account back to normal. A Capital One credit card can become restricted for a few common reasons, such as missed payments, suspicious activity, identity verification issues, or exceeding your credit limit. The first thing you should do is sign into your Capital One account online or through the mobile app. Once you're logged in, select the restricted credit card and look for any alerts or messages explaining why the card was limited. Capital One usually provides a notice telling you what action is required. If the restriction is due to a missed or late payment, make a payment as soon as possible. In many cases, once the payment posts and your account is current, the restriction may be lifted automatically. If the restriction is related to suspicious or unusual activity, Capital One may require you to verify recent transactions or confirm your identity. Follow the on-screen instructions or check your email and text messages for a verification code or security notice. In some situations, Capital One may ask you to submit additional documents, such as proof of identity or updated personal information. Make sure to upload or provide these documents promptly to avoid delays. If you're not seeing clear instructions in your account, the best option is to contact Capital One customer support. Call the number on the back of your credit card or use a secure chat option in your online account. A representative can explain exactly why your card is restricted and what steps are needed to remove the restriction. Once the issue is resolved, keep an eye on your account for confirmation that the restriction has been lifted and test your card with a small purchase if needed. That's it for this video. If this guide helped you fix a Capital One credit card that's been restricted, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.